Hi, good day everyone. A basic background about Rizal's life. Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado Y. Alonso Villarunga was a Filipino nationalist, writer, and polymath active at the end of the Spanish colonial period of the Philippines. He was born June 19, 1861 in Calamba City. He died December 30, 1896, aged 35 years in Rizal Park in Manila. Jose Rizal, son of a Filipino father and a Chinese mother, came from a wealthy family. Despite his family wealth, they suffered discrimination because neither parents was born in Peninsula. Rizal studied at a private high school and then to University of St. Thomas in Manila.
Jose Rizal in 1861 and 1896 was one of the most revered figures in the Philippine history. He was a motivated intellectual and political activist. He is known of his political writing that inspired the Philippine Revolution and generously key to its institution by the Spanish colonizer. Apart from Chinese ancestors, the Mercado Rizal family also had a Japanese, Spanish, and Malay, and even Negrito ancestry. Jose Rizal's mother was his first teacher, training him to read and pray and inspire him to create poetry.
Tulus Rizal wrote No Limit Tangerin or Touch Me Not, and the El Filibusterismo or the Filibuster, for a variety of reasons to let the world know about how his motherland endured the behavior of Spanish friars, official and their supporters in the Philippines, especially in the 19th century. Through his literary works, political activism, and personal example, Rizal inspired generations of Filipinos to aspire for freedom, justice, and dignity. His enduring legacy continues to shape the collective consciousness of the Filipino people, reminding them of their rich heritage and shared destiny. Ang hapon ma'am, hapon sa ano na sa na kung pili kang malaya mo.
Sige. I am Julina Araiz. Name mo lang? Sige po, Julina Araiz.
What do you do for a living?
I am currently employed here at San Francisco Kiddie Development Center as accounting staff.
Mga gamay ma'am na gamay lang mo. Gamay mo itong interview mo about sa atong hero nga si Jose Rizal ma'am. So one question na mo. Pwede ba hindi mo ma-confirm contrast ang mga vision ni Rizal when it comes sa education practices in the Philippines tong sa una o sa kalumang mga kalahian?
Sure. As what we describe as our hero, Jose Rizal is the national hero of the Philippines. He was also a staunch advocate for education as a means of social transformation and national development. When it comes to the comparison contrast in education, first is to describe equal access to education when it comes to Rizal vision. Rizal championed the idea of accessible education for all Filipinos, regardless of social class or gender. He also believed that education was a fundamental right and a key to empowering individuals and fostering national consciousness. And his advocacy for women's education was particularly progressive as he recognized the vital role of women in nation building. And if ato ang i-contrast ato ang current practices, today, the Philippine government has made significant strides in promoting access to education through the public school system, and even sa mga lahi-lahing scholarship, like example, CHED, PBS, or even tulong-dunong na ginhatag karon sa mga students. And the implementation of the K-12 system has been a crucial step toward aligning the conscious education system with global standards, which is mas dako siya help sa atong government kay ang kito sa mga nakahelp siya sa kanang wala kayat siya sa tanan nga mga students nga dili pa ready nga moabot sa college, which is daghan pa siya opportunity nga mahatag even sa international nga mga system mga work. And next is when it talks about moral ethical education, na-resolve vision and current practices when it comes sa atong mga moral or kanang atong behavior sa education. Atong i-discuss ang Rizal vision. Moral integrity, he believed that ethical values were essential to Rizal's educational philosophy. He also believed that education should not only impart knowledge but also cultivate virtues such as honesty, empathy, and civic responsibility. And when it comes to the current practices nga atong gina-practice karon, in contemporary times, moral and ethical education is integrated into the curriculum to subject like values education or social studies. Like isa pa sa mga high school panlipunan o di ba makuha sa mga students sa mga behavior o mga attitude nga ma-claim sa mga students. And for my conclusion, understanding Rizal vision can inspire current and future efforts to improve the education system, ensuring that it not only provides knowledge but also fosters critical thinking, moral integrity, and a sense of national pride. This reflection also serves as a reminder of the ongoing journey towards achieving an education system that fully realizes that the potential and aspiration of every Filipino nga dagan pa ganang mag-change or mas ni-improve ang mga Rizal vision sa karon nga panahon. That's all. Thank you, sir.
So, more to ma'am, dahil salamat yung tagamin mo, yung mga higayin mo. Thank you very much mo. More to ma'am.